Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to look at Cygnett UrbanWallet Flip Case for Samsung Galaxy A22 5G. So what are we waiting for? Let's dig into it. Hey guys, so this is the Cygnett UrbanWallet Flip Case for Samsung Galaxy A22 5G. So here's the box, pretty much the same with all the boxes that we've been reviewing from the past. So it cost me $15 and I bought this at JB Hi-Fi here in Western Australia. So we all know that Cygnett cases have antibacterial technology to all of their cases, and it has 2 years warranty. This case has 3 built-in card slots and can be a folding stand as well. And it's Australian owned, so let's support our local businesses. There is a disclaimer on this side saying that antibacterial technology is applied to the product but will not directly protect the user from any exposure to bacteria or provide other health assistance. So we better wash our hands every after we use our phone. So that's the best that we can do in this case. So let's now open the box. I'm excited with this case because it can be your wallet as well. You can put your IDs or you can also put your money and credit card. So this is very handy. So as you can see here in the front, you've got the logo of Cygnett, and at the back, you've also got the branding of Cygnett. I'm not sure if this is an authentic leather, but the texture of this case is nice and soft. So as if if you're having a real wallet. So look at that branding of Cygnett. Looks good. So yeah, here's your warranty card. It provides information on how to make a warranty claim. So here's the case. So as you can see, you've got your 3 card slots here. So you can put your credit card, your money, your personal IDs. So this is one of the advantages of this case. It can be your phone case and it can be your wallet as well, which is very handy. The texture of this case is very good, nice and soft. And then let's try the case now. So that's your camera cutout. Oh, it looks very good, especially the branding of the Cygnett. Yep, and here's your volume up and volume down. And also the cutout for your chargers and your speakers and your headphone jack. And this is one of the features of the case. It can also be a phone stand. So you can use this if you're watching Netflix and YouTube. So yeah, so this is one of the features of the case. In my opinion, this is a budget-friendly case. For $15, you already have a phone case and a wallet at the same time. And also, one of the features are it can be a phone stand, so you can take advantage of that if you're like watching movies on your phone. So what are your thoughts in this phone case? Let me know in the comment section down below. Hopefully you like this video. If you find it helpful and you like it, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified next time I'll upload a new video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.